Hi guys, Alan from Newlands Nursery and another one of our videos of Gardening Explained, your questions answered. There's no such thing as a silly question, and we get asked so many questions and they're all valid. We get asked questions on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and we wanted to answer them. So that's what these little mini series of videos is all about. And this one is going to be about life cycles. So this one is about perennial, the term perennial. So this is a perennial plant. It's a plant that comes back every year. Sometimes it will die back underground. Don't worry, it will then come back in the spring. And when I talk about plants dying down and coming back, I am talking predominantly about the UK. So this is a plant, this monarda, will die back in the winter and then come back, and they will last year after year. And that's what a perennial plant is. Easy.